Hello guys, it's Eric Champ, E.Crimsin from the House of Crimsin Cloth. Just got this new package in the mail from Fabiana, my Italian connects over there in La Marche. It says St. Elpidio al Mare, Italy. Who orders packages from Italy? I guess you guys do, and I do for now. So whenever you order the thocc Lydia's, it's coming from Italy. But be aware, a lot of people from FedEx and other delivery places want to see what's in this box because it's coming from Italy, you know? It's a hot commodity for some reason. So I'm gonna be very careful opening this. It's my first unboxing, by the way, too, so bear with me, okay? Try to set everything up, the shot in the background, all that, you know. All right, let's see. It's first time for everything now. My first unboxing, man. I'm trying not to damage anything. It's taped up pretty nice. I know they're like, hurry up, make it smoother. But I don't want to damage the main box. Right there. Trying to figure out what did I do? Let's see. Do not want to mess this up. I don't know how they got this thing. Big ass knife. Right. Good. Make that part look good. Christmas. All right. In here. Okay. So these are the shoes from La Marche, Italy. House of Crimsin Cloth. Unboxing. Nice little wrapping paper. And final product. Not bad. thocc Lydia. I didn't even get to look at it myself. thocc Lydia by Eric Champ Jr. Limited edition. Made in Italy. Got the code on it. This is a size 6 for women. This is the box, the front of it. This is all customized box. Nice box, yo. Feels real good. Good in the hand. Good in the hand. Got the logo right there. Got the logo. So let's see. Finish opening this box. Oh, it just pops open. That's pretty dope. Look, oh come on. Primitive, look. That's the quality up there. You hear that snap? Quality. What's inside? Let's see. Oh my God. Look at this. Boom. This is the smoothest patent leather, yo. This is beautiful. Shiny, nice and shiny. Beautiful. thocc Lydia's. Let me hold them up correctly. I designed these shoes for women. Now remember, Lydia, the story, make it brief and short. When I designed these, I'll look at my logo right there. The logo is right there in the tongue. Beautiful. So remember, when I designed these shoes, Lydia was a woman in the Bible who was a businesswoman who sold purple dye to her people in her city. She was there when Christ was crucified. She watched the crucifixion of the Christ, and she was there when he resurrected from the grave. And she was the first woman to practice Christianity in her household. So I believe they made her into a saint. And she's mentioned in the Bible, in the book of Acts in the Bible. So this shoe was designed like that, you know, the death of Jesus, the blood. This is lamb leather right here from Italy. It's all good right here. This is a nice heel, yo. This is fly, yo. And you know, it's for a woman, you know. The men stuff gonna come out later. We're gonna see how this woman said it was gonna support me. Let's see. This is the first support right here. This shoe, I think, runs for about $204. It's all Italian leather, made in Italy, from Italy. And it's an exclusive shoe, limited edition run. You only can get it through me and my connect. It's coming straight to your doorstep too. It delivers straight to your door. How many people order stuff from Italy? Nobody. Hardly. It's House of Crimsin Cloth. E.Crimsin signing out. Thanks for watching the unboxing.